I started this project back in November of 2003. My father had built a 1941 and over the years had accrued enough pieces that I was able to start building a 1940 pickup of my own. My ultimate goal was to build a truck that I could drive to and from work every day without worrying if I was going to scratch the paint. Not a show truck by any means, but still more refined than a rat rod. Sticking to the keep it simple stupid philosophy, I decided to stick with a tried and true Mustang 2 front end, a bulletproof Ford 9-inch rear, and a 700 R4 transmission, all powered by a small block 350. Powder-coated steel rims with signature Ford hubcaps help keep the old look. I wanted the truck as plain and simple looking as possible. The interior features low-card door handles, window cranks, and shifter. I'm running an I Did It column topped with a beautiful wood wheel from Limeworks Speed Shop. Dakota Digital supplied a gauge cluster that pulls directly into the original cutout.